Hello, Park Center staff. It's David Hilgendorf over at the Learning Commons. I am wanting to show you how you and students can access library materials during the hybrid learning model from books from Park Center in particular. If the students go up to the Learning Commons link from the Students menu and then navigate to the library catalog, they will have to log in, and you can do this as well, because they're going to be putting on hold for themselves. So there's the login up in the upper right, and it's the regular district login. And then you go to the catalog tab at the top, and you put in the search term you're looking for, put in this title. And in this case, there are several different editions available. And I'm going to take a look at this one. It says there are 1 of 2 copies of this available. So that means I should be able to put this on hold. So if I go to the details, over here on the right, it says hold it. You or students can click on hold it and then save. And then that will hold it for that student. However, you may have noticed in those search results that there is also an ebook here. Now these are a really great resource because they are immediately accessible whether or not students are at school. So if you click on an ebook, or you can just say open the ebook, and it opens in this Mac and Via app. And sometimes you have to log into that, and sometimes once you've already logged into Destiny, you're good. And you can preview a book. It'll give you the first 20 pages or something like that. And an infinite number of people can do this, but only the number of books that we have available can be checked out. So that's it. Then, oh, that's not quite it, because only adults are going to be able to bring books to students. So students are not going to be allowed to come into the Learning Commons. And what that means is once we receive one of these holds, we'll have to go, we the library staff will have to go to the shelves, pick the book, and get it to the teachers. The system has not been determined whether that's going to be a particular requesting teacher or an advisor. But anyway, it will go to some teacher of the student that has requested the book. And same with returns. Only teachers can return books. There will be a return cart just inside of the Learning Commons door. And we have to rotate that out daily because we have to let the books sit in quarantine for 3 days before we can check them in. All right, thank you much. With any questions, feel free to contact me at HilgendorfD. Otherwise, extension 88717 if I'm going to be on site. Thank you much. Bye.